How to fix Instagram theme option not showing. So first, we need to make sure that your Instagram is updated to the latest version. So go to the App Store, click on the search icon and type in Instagram. If the button says open, then your app is up to date, but if it says update, then go ahead and update your application first. Updating the app allows you to have the latest themes available. Now, if it still doesn't show up, you need to offload the app. To do this, go to the settings, search storage. From here, you need to go to the iPhone storage and then go ahead and proceed to Instagram. Once this appears, click on the offload app, and after it's done offloading, just reinstall the application again. After that, open the Instagram application, tap on the messages icon here on the top right corner of your screen. Choose a conversation that you want to change the theme of. Now tap on their names on the top of the screen, and once you're here, you should be able to see the option of changing the theme. To change this, just tap on the theme and select any theme that you want. So that is how to fix Instagram theme option not showing. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.